Till now, we have been discussing that nano is extremely small. Now let us understand how small the nanoscale is. The prefix nano comes from Greek vocabulary. It is a Greek word for dwarf. हिंदी में जिसको हम कहते हैं बोना. Nanoscience and nanotechnology deals with extremely small objects, and we can prefix nano with any unit of physical entities like mass, time, or length. Nanotechnology refers to the size which is measured in terms of length. So let us focus our discussion on the unit of length, that's nanometers. We have a metric scale in which centimeters are smaller than meter. Then we have millimeters, micrometers, and nanometers. Nanometer is 10 raised to minus 9 of a meter. We live in the scale of meters and kilometers. So it's quite hard for us to imagine a world that's too small to see. The soccer ball is smaller than the earth, same as the nanoparticle compared to the soccer ball. It's impossible to think about nanometer in ordinary everyday existence on a scale 1,000 times smaller than an eye of a fly. Nanoscience and nanotechnology is all very interesting and quite impressive. But what's the use if you can't even imagine it? Our lives have some meaning on the scale of meters, but it loses all meaning on the nanoscale. So let's visualize nanometer in terms of our common real life examples. Talking about a cricket bat. According to the laws of cricket, the maximum allowed bat length is 38 inches, that is 96.5 centimeters for senior players. However, in case of our favorite cricketer Virat Kohli, his signature bat, an MRF Virat Kohli edition, is listed with a height of 85.09 centimeters for the long-handled version. The centimeters can be visualized in terms of the diameter of a soccer ball. 100 centimeters makes 1 meter, or we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meters. The standard diameter of a soccer ball is around 20 centimeter range in the various size categories. Especially the soccer ball of size 5 used in most professional matches like FIFA is 21.7 to 22.3 centimeters. Now imagine millimeters. It is 10 raised to minus 3 of a meter, and we can assess the size of millimeter with the help of the dimensions of a mobile phone. Here are presented the dimensions of a mobile, one of the standard models taken from e-com site. This gives you an idea of millimeter scale, how small 1 millimeter is. As we are discussing about nanoscale, which is extremely small, so 0.7, 0.4 or 0.5, even 0.1 mm has a great significance in the nanoscale. That is why these lengths are given in quite accurate values. Imagining lengths less than 1 millimeter is a bit difficult. So let us understand the scale below than 1 millimeter with the help of this chart. We have visualized that the cricket bat is about 1 meter in length. And if we divide this in 100 equal parts, then each part will be of 1 centimeter. And that will about the width of the tip of our finger, is about 1 centimeter. Then we divide it in equal 10 parts, then it will make 1 millimeter, which can be visualized as the eye of a needle. Dividing this length by 10 in equal parts, we will get 100 micrometers, which is about the thickness of the hair on our head. Dividing this by 10, we will get 10 micrometers, which is the size of red blood cells. Then bacteria are in the range of 1 micrometers. Viruses are in 100 nanometers scale. Then comes the basic building block of our body, that is DNA. Its width is in 10 nanometers. And finally, the atomic and molecular structures are in the nanoscale. So the thickness of the human hair is about 70 to 80,000 nanometers. We can also imagine 1 nanometer in terms of molecules and atoms. 5 or 7 oxygen molecules linked up neck to neck makes 1 nanometer. And about 4 water molecules can be linked up in 1 nanometer. Hence, atomic and subatomic particles are of the size of nanometers, and the molecular processes take place at the nanometer scale. In this way, we have seen that nanotechnology works at the scale of atoms or even smaller than it. It is the world which you cannot see, but now you can imagine it. During the present certification course, we are going to dig into this amazing, incredible nano world. Keep connected and refresh the information given so far to enjoy the further lectures. Thank you for watching.